and I are driving to a beach. I don't know which one.
To Luquillo, Playa Azul.
Yeah.
No. Costa Azul Beach in Luquillo.
Yeah, it's my second time in Puerto Rico. This time I love it a lot. Had to do some growing up. But we're talking about the meaning of life, I guess, as always. What else to talk about? And Steven, do you pray?
I do sometimes.
To what and to whom?
To the universe and God.
And what was the last thing you prayed about?
Just gratitude about my experience, my journey, my travels, my growth.
So you would like pray, like no, you would give thanks.
I don't pray just to get things. I don't pray like give me this, give me that. I pray for different reasons. Sometimes I pray for just protection of myself and the people I love. Sometimes I pray to just literally show gratitude to what I've received or have or whatever, or experience. Sometimes I pray just for the sake of having a prayer, just saying a prayer, but not to ask for anything necessarily. Sometimes I do ask for things, just depends.
Okay. And the last prayers you did, were they more like for gratitude or for asking for something?
Like I said, for gratitude.
Oh yeah, sorry. Good listener. And yeah, do you find when you ask for something that you get it quick?
Depends what it is. Sometimes some of the things that I ask are very big. I mean, and quick is relative because quick for somebody could be 30 seconds, quick for somebody could be a year, you know?
Yeah.
So, it just depends. So, there's certain things that I do get relatively quick, meaning like within the same week or month or whatever, but like, there's certain things that take time. It takes a year or two maybe.
Would you say you're a patient person?
Yeah.
Would you say I'm a patient person? Yeah, I don't think I'm a patient person. Yeah. Anything else you have to say about prayers?
You can ask me. I don't know.
Yeah, let me think. Where did you learn to pray?
Church.
And how has that changed over the years now that you're like grown up?
Not a lot, because I'm not, like, I'm a spiritual person, but I'm not, like, I grew up Catholic. I'm not Catholic.
Yeah.
I practiced Catholicism, like, when we were in Manizales, and we went to a church, but, like, I don't consider myself Catholic, because I don't go to church or read that Bible or none of that stuff.
Yeah.
So, I used to be for many years, almost close to it, probably more than a decade, but not anymore.
Mm. Yeah. Like, and how did your spiritual side evolve?
How?
Yeah. Or like, how did that transition?
It's a long journey. I went to many different churches. I experienced different people that showed me what they believe in, their religious things, their spiritual things, and based on every information that I gathered from everybody, I came up with my own things, which is at the end what life is about. It's just creating your own habits, routines, life, work that you want to do, all that stuff.
Yeah.
The rest is just how other people do it, but you create your own. Like how someone raises a child is not the same with nobody. Like everybody's different, so it's the same thing. Like a religious practice, sure, you can be part of the herd and everybody everybody does the same thing at church or whatever, but then later in life, if you still find yourself being a spiritual person or a religious person, you practice your religion or your spiritualness in your own way. So, yeah. But still people are, let's say, Muslim, they're not going to do the same practices.
No, that's
They
true.
might have the same traditions, but they're going to do it different. Same thing with like Thanksgiving, for example. That's like a big tradition here. Not everybody celebrates the same way. They have their own way of doing it. So, yeah. Just coming up with your own thing.
When you went to like visit different churches and belief systems and stuff, do you think you were like a seeker? And if yes, for what?
A seeker?
Yeah,
What do you mean by that?
like someone searching for something. And what did you look for?
Yeah, I was a seeker, of course. If not, I wouldn't have even gone. Seeking, I just want to see what people do. That's it. Then I just saw everybody's crazy in a way. Everybody has their own little weirdness to it, and I was like, yeah, none of this is for me. So,
Yeah.
but I just went to a bunch of different churches. I went to Baptist church, evangelical, Pentecostal, Jehovah's Witness, non-denominational, Christian, like a bunch of different ones. And I was like, okay, I get what you guys do, whatever. I don't need to keep attending, you know.
Yeah.
We're going once or twice. Like, I was good enough, you know, with that. Yeah. Then overall, I just ended up doing my own thing.
Nice. Thanks, Stephen, for answering these questions. Stay tuned for more, and see you soon.